every day is a quest to find the newest technology in video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go.
Hey friends, welcome back to Quest for Tech. Today we're checking out the Braava M6. iRobot has been a leader in the robot vacuum industry for years, and this is their newest robot mop, the Braava M6. iRobot says it's the ultimate robot mop. You can tell it where and when to clean using the iRobot app, and with smart mapping, your robot will know your kitchen from your living room. And with keep out zones, your robot will know what areas you want it to avoid. So how does it mop? The Braava uses a precision jet spray to help it tackle sticky messes and kitchen grease. By default, the jet spray intensity is set for normal to minimal. You can increase it in the app to give your floors a better clean, or if you have areas with a really sticky mess. We decided to increase the jet spray intensity to the max setting, just to see the maximum amount of clean the Braava could deliver. You're also able to choose the wet mopping behavior in the app from standard, where the robot will balance cleaning power and the total area it covers, to deep, where the robot will clean with maximum power and less total area, or extended coverage, where the robot quickly covers more total area, spending less time and cleaning power in any given area. We mainly used the deep setting, which gave our floor a really nice clean all over. The main difference we noticed between standard and deep was that deep took much longer for the robot to finish. It took nearly 2 hours to deep clean our main floor. With standard, it finished in about an hour, but the robot didn't go over the same areas more than once, like it did for the deep mopping behavior. Extended coverage will get you the fastest clean, but not as extensive as the other modes. Setting up the Braava is easy, using the iRobot app. Just download the app from the App Store or Google Play, connect your robot to Wi-Fi, name it, let it update, and then you're all set. The tank is easy to take out. You fill it with water and a little bit of the solution included. If you like the iRobot hard floor cleaner, you'll need to order more because it only comes with a little. You'll also get 2 disposable wet mopping pads, 2 disposable dry sweeping pads, and 2 washable pads, 1 for wet and 1 for dry. They're really easy to attach to the bottom of the robot. Once you do that, you're all ready to go. Either press the clean button on the robot to start, or use the app to start cleaning. The iRobot app gives you great control over your Braava. Aside from controlling the amount of jet spray and how deep the robot cleans, like we discussed earlier, you can also set cleaning schedules, see when and where your robot is cleaning, and even connect your robot to Google Assistant or Alexa to control it with your voice. Now all that is really nice, but the coolest thing the Braava does, along with the app, is mapping. After your first couple uses, your robot will start mapping your home. This is where the Braava shines. Once it gives you the completed map of your floor, you'll be able to use the Imprint Smart Mapping and name each area of your home, so you can tell your Braava specifically where to clean at any given time. This works so well after we let the robot mop the entire floor the first few times. Then we were able to just have it mop the entryway, or go straight to a mess in the kitchen, or even go right to the living room. You control it right from the app. It works especially well when you compare it with Google or Alexa and just say, hey, ask Braava to mop the kitchen. Using VSLAM navigation, the M6 learns the layout of your home fast and builds personal smart maps that enable it to expertly clean and navigate in neat, efficient rows. And if it runs out of battery, it returns to the base, charges itself, and picks up right where it left off to ensure the job gets done. The M6 is great at navigating around chairs, tables, and under furniture. It's also smart enough to avoid rugs. You can even create keep out zones in the app so you don't have to worry about the robot getting stuck or going where you don't want it to go. The mapping and navigation will continue to improve with each time you run the M6. Overall, the Braava M6 is a good robot mop with amazing mapping technology. With the maximum spray setting, and using the deep clean option, you'll get clean floors, and the robot will do a pretty good job removing sticky messes. Of course, no robot can match the power and force of you using a mop or Swiffer to clean up a super sticky mess. But it will do a good job at keeping your floors looking and feeling clean on a regular basis. The floor mapping is where the Braava Jet M6 shines. This robot is smart, and it only gets smarter over time. You can let your robot mop run without having to watch over it, which is a great thing. We give the Braava Jet M6 a full 4 stars, and it's most definitely worth a try. Alright friends, that's the video for today. Thanks so much for questing with us. We really appreciate you all. Do us a huge favor and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell to get notified every time we drop a new video. Everybody have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and never stop questing. Peace.